Good evening, everyone. This is one of those impromptu videos. I finally pulled the trigger and I got myself a DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is my trusty DJI Mini 2, which I am keeping. So this video is an unboxing. Let's set this over here, and here it is. I've already taken the plastic packaging off of it to expedite this video, so let's see what's inside. Well, that looks familiar. Let's put this over here and let's look at what's inside. Oh, there it is. Couldn't find it. Okay. This looks like the controller, the RC2. Here's the battery hub. Incidentally, this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro Plus, the Plus batteries. This does not include the wide angle lens or any ND filters. I'm on the waiting list to get those, but I'll show you what's inside of this pouch. It probably has spare propellers and a jeweler's screwdriver and other items, just like the DJI Mini 2 had in its package. So let's set that over here, and let's open up this the battery hub first. There it is. Now, this comes with 3 batteries. I suspect there's a battery already installed in the drone. So I'm going to set this right here. And let's look at the controller. This is the RC2 controller. It has 700 nits of brightness on it. I'll talk more about this controller in a few moments. Next, the drone. And there it is. The DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is quite an upgrade for me from my Mini 2. So, has a nice gimbal cover on it. This strap here that locks down the propellers. Let's take that off first. Okay. And the gimbal cover pops off right there. I like that. Wonder how easy it goes back on. Let's see. Well, there's some stuff here that needs to come out. Make sure you get that. And there's some stickers on here on this gimbal. Let's take all those off too. Oh, there's one in the back. Now, let's see how easy that gimbal cover goes back on there. Snaps right into place. That's easy. Easier than the Mini 2. Let's unfold it. Let's take this off. Set this aside. Look at that. A size comparison. It's the Mini 2, the Mini 4 Pro. On the back is the battery, and there's a sticker there, so let's take that off, get it out of the way. And to the sides here are latches. You just push those in, the battery pops right out. This is a Plus battery, 45 minutes of flight time. The regular batteries will give you about 34 minutes of juice. But yeah, I like this. The main reason why I purchased this drone was because the features, the many features in it, the night mode, and the price point was also very attractive. Let me pop this battery back in. And also the obstacle avoidance. Now with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, it has obstacle avoidance, going forward, going back, going up and going down. This has 360 obstacle avoidance. That is going forward, going back, going up, down, and to the sides. One would be hard pressed to crash this drone. I never push it to that point to where I'm taking a risk with losing my drones. These flying robots just cost too much money to be taking those kinds of risks. But I will be testing all of the features of this drone in future videos. Let's talk about the controller. Let's place this here. This is the RC2 controller. Has the integrated screen, 700 nits of brightness on it. The antennas are external of the controller. They pop up, and there you have it. It really feels good in the hand. Now, this controller has OcuSync 4 or OC4 transmission system, which means that you get better range, a better signal. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has a range of about 12 kilometers. That equates to about 6.7 nautical miles. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has a range of 20 kilometers. That's about 10.7 nautical miles. I'll never fly a drone out that far, but it does show how good the signal is. This controller has a live feed at 1080p at 60 frames per second. The DJI Mini 3 Pro at 1080p is 30 frames per second. This camera has a 1/1.3 CMOS sensor, same as the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It can record 4K footage at 60 frames per second. And if you drop it down a notch to 1080p, it can record 1080p at 200 frames per second. That's incredible. It has the automated return to home system on it. It also has APAS. That is the automated pilot assistant system. And basically what that does, it allows you to fly through, say, a dense area, say a densely wooded area, and it won't hit anything. I'm definitely going to test that. As mentioned earlier, it has active track 360, focus track, waypoints, quick shots, master shots, hyperlapse, panorama. That gimbal up there can flip to the vertical mode. That is a 9/16 vertical mode. So you can take video and photos that can be uploaded to YouTube as far as shorts or on TikTok. I like that. It has the night mode. I can't wait to test this out at night. And it has 10-bit DLOG-M filming. I like to color grade my videos in post, so I am very anxious to see how that DLOG-M performs. Incidentally, DJI has a free LUT for that. And I'll place a link in the video so you can download that to your computer. And there are many more features, and I will test out all of those features in many videos. As stated earlier, this drone doesn't come with the wide-angle lens or the ND filters. I am on a waiting list for those. I did notice on Amazon you can purchase ND filters and that wide-angle lens. The delivery times for those from Amazon look somewhere around mid-October to the end of October. So the next thing I'll need to do is to get these batteries charged up, get the controller charged up. Let me show you what's on the inside. Inside the pouch, we have these items here. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A cable. We have a jeweler's Phillips screwdriver for removing the propellers in the event that you have to do that. I have one of these in my Mini 2. And we have 3 sets of replacement propellers. and also 4 manuals. There's a quick start guide. There's a safety guidelines. I don't know. This is a Japan flight safety rules. This is an accessory user guide, and this is a QR code for something called Light Cut. And based on what I've been reading up about this is an app that allows you to do some video editing. It's supposed to make things very easy for those who have never edited a video before. So I'm going to install this and just try it out. I have decided on a name for this drone. This is Icarus, my Mini 2. This is Icarus's father, Daedalus. Daedalus is the Greek god for architecture and craftsmanship. And Daedalus is also the name of a famous asteroid. I have about 2.5 hours of daylight left. If I can get just one battery charged up and get the firmware updated on this, I'm going to come back out and get this up in the air for a very short maiden flight. This is Ron. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.